Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back.
Today, we are going to learn something very useful.
Very useful and very simple.
We are learning how to start small talk in English.
Small talk means short, friendly conversation,
Yes, not a big speech,
not a serious interview.
just a little chat.
A nice, easy chat.
Perfect for daily life.
At school, at work, in the shop, at a bus stop, anywhere.
Exactly.
If you want easy English practice, this video is for you.
Please like this video if you enjoy learning English with us.
And please subscribe for more daily English practice.
Okay, let's begin slowly.
Alice, what is small talk?
Small talk is short conversation.
Short and friendly,
Yes, you talk about simple things,
like the weather,
or the day,
or food,
or work.
or waiting in line.
Right.
Small talk is not hard,
No, it is not hard.
but many learners feel shy.
Yes, and that is normal.
Very normal.
So today we will practice easy phrases,
Slow phrases,
friendly phrases.
real life phrases.
Great.
Let's start with the easiest one.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
hello,
Hello.
good morning,
Good morning.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
How are you?
Very good.
These are the first steps,
Tiny steps.
but very important steps.
Let's repeat slowly.
Hi.
Hi,
Hello.
hello,
How are you?
how are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, if you want to start a small talk, you can begin with a smile.
Yes, a smile helps a lot.
Then say hello.
Hi or hello.
Then ask a simple question.
Like, how are you?
Good.
Or, how's your day?
Very nice.
How's your day?
How's your day?
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Excellent.
Alice, can we practice a very short small talk?
Yes, let's do it.
Hi. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good too.
Nice.
That is a perfect first small talk.
Short, simple, natural.
Very good.
Now, let's make it a little longer.
Okay.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's nice.
And you?
I'm fine too.
Great.
Very easy English.
Yes, easy English is good English.
I like that.
Sometimes people ask, how are you?
And the answer can be simple.
I'm fine.
I'm good.
I'm okay.
I'm great.
Very nice.
We do not need big words.
No,
Simple words are enough.
exactly.
David, what if I meet someone new?
Good question.
What can I say?
You can say, hi, I'm David.
Hi, I'm Alice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Great phrase.
Let's repeat.
Hi, I'm David.
Hi, I'm Alice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Very useful.
In real life, this works at school, work, or a party.
Yes,
If you know the person's name, you can use it.
that makes the conversation warmer.
Yes, it feels friendly.
For example, hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, John. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about one of the easiest small talk topics.
The weather.
Yes, weather is a classic topic.
Very safe.
Very easy.
Everyone understands weather.
Exactly.
What can you say?
It's nice today.
It's nice today.
It's hot today.
It's hot today.
It's raining today.
It's raining today.
Great.
Repeat slowly.
It's nice today.
It's nice today.
It's hot today.
It's hot today.
It's raining today.
It's raining today.
Why do people use weather for small talk?
Because it is simple.
Yes.
It gives people something easy to answer.
Like, yes, it is hot. Or, yes, it is very cold.
Very natural.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It's very hot today.
Yes, it is really hot.
I like sunny days.
Me too.
Great.
David, what if the weather is bad?
You can still use small talk.
Like, oh, it's raining again.
Yes.
What a rainy day.
Good.
I forgot my umbrella.
Ah, that happens a lot.
Yes, many people forget umbrellas.
Then they run very fast.
Very fast.
Small talk can even be funny.
True.
Now let's talk about another easy topic.
The day.
Yes, you can ask, how is your day?
Or, how is your day going?
That is very useful.
What can people answer?
It's good.
It's busy.
It's okay.
It's a little tired.
Nice.
Let's repeat.
How is your day?
How is your day?
It's busy.
It's busy.
It's good.
It's good. If someone says their day is busy, what can you say?
Oh, I see.
Good.
That sounds busy.
Very natural.
I understand.
Nice.
Small talk is also about listening.
Yes, listening is very important.
Very important. Now let's practice a small conversation at school.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of classes.
Oh, that sounds busy.
Yes, but it's okay.
Great.
This is very natural.
Easy and simple. David, can small talk happen with strangers?
Yes, of course.
Like in a shop?
Yes.
Or in a coffee shop?
Yes.
Or while waiting in line?
Exactly.
What can you say in a line?
Is this line for coffee?
Is this line for coffee?
Are you waiting here too?
Are you waiting here too?
Very good.
Repeat slowly.
Is this line for coffee?
Is this line for coffee?
Are you waiting here too?
Are you waiting here too? Let's do a simple coffee shop conversation.
Okay.
Hi, are you waiting for coffee?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
Nice.
I come here often.
Oh, really?
Yes, the coffee's good here.
That's nice.
Great.
Very natural small talk. Sometimes small talk starts with a simple observation.
Like what?
It's crowded here today.
Ah, yes.
This place is busy.
The line is long.
The weather is nice.
Very easy.
These are small and safe topics.
Safe topics are good for beginners.
Yes.
What is a safe topic?
A safe topic is a topic that feels easy and friendly.
Like weather, time, day, coffee, or work.
Correct.
Not too personal.
Right.
So we do not ask big private questions at the start.
Exactly.
That can feel strange.
Yes. Now let's talk about time.
Time is another easy small talk topic.
Yes.
You can say, "What time is it?"
What time is it?
It's almost noon.
It's almost noon.
It's late.
It's late.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
Repeat slowly.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's almost noon.
It's almost noon.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry. Now let's practice a small talk at work.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too.
Busy day?
Yes, very busy.
Oh, I see.
Yes, but it's fine.
Great.
Simple, short, easy. What if I want to sound more friendly?
You can add one small sentence.
Like what?
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Great.
Let's repeat.
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. That sounds warm.
Yes, warm and polite.
I like it.
Me too. Now let's talk about compliments.
Oh, yes. Compliments are nice small talk.
They make people smile.
What can you say?
I like your bag.
I like your bag.
Nice shoes.
Nice shoes.
That is a nice shirt.
That is a nice shirt.
Great.
Repeat slowly.
I like your bag.
I like your bag.
Nice shoes.
Nice shoes.
That is a nice shirt.
That is a nice shirt.
Let's do a tiny role play.
Okay.
Nice shoes.
Thank you.
I like your bag, too.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That was easy.
Very easy. Now let's talk about another common question.
Okay. What do you do?
Ah, yes, a very common small talk question.
Meaning, your job?
Yes, your work.
What can I ask?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Do you work here?
Do you work here?
What kind of work do you do?
What kind of work do you do?
Great.
Repeat slowly.
What do you do?
What do you do?
Do you work here?
Do you work here? How can someone answer?
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I work from home.
I work from home.
I teach English.
Nice.
Yes, very nice.
Simple answers are enough.
Yes,
What if I want to know where someone is from?
that is also common.
You can ask, where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Egypt.
I'm from Japan.
Great.
Repeat slowly.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
I'm from India. Now, let's talk about listening.
Important point.
Small talk is not only speaking.
It is also listening.
Yes.
If someone says, I'm busy today, we can answer, oh, I see.
Or, that sounds busy.
Very good.
Or, I hope your day gets easier.
Nice.
That is kind and friendly.
Let's practice listening phrases.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I see.
That sounds busy.
That sounds busy.
I hope your day gets easier.
I hope your day gets easier.
Great.
Sometimes small talk can be about food, too.
Yes, food is a great topic.
Very easy. You can say, I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Do you like tea?
Do you like tea?
I love pizza.
I love pizza.
Who doesn't? Many people love pizza.
Very true.
What food do you like is a nice question.
What food do you like?
Great. Another easy topic is the weekend.
Yes.
You can ask, what do you do on the weekend?
What do you do on the weekend?
I rest at home.
I go out with friends.
I watch movies.
I study English.
Nice.
Repeat slowly.
What do you do on the weekend?
What do you do on the weekend?
I rest at home.
I rest at home.
Now let's do a longer practice conversation.
Great.
Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. It's a nice day today.
Yes, it is. The weather's very nice.
I like sunny days.
Me too. I feel happy on sunny days.
That's nice. Do you work today?
Yes, I do. I'm busy today.
Oh, I see. I hope your day goes well.
Thank you. That's kind.
You're welcome.
Great conversation.
Very natural. Now, let's say the key phrases one more time.
Slowly.
Hi,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
How are you?
How's your day?
How's your day?
Nice weather today.
Nice weather today.
What do you do?
What do you do?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Great.
David, what should learners remember today?
Remember this. Small talk is simple.
Simple.
You do not need perfect English.
No.
You just need a few useful phrases
A few good phrases.
and a friendly tone.
A smile helps too.
Yes, a smile helps a lot. Small talk is practice.
Yes, practice for real life.
Great lesson. Before we finish, one last question for our viewers.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite small talk topic?
Is it weather?
Is it food?
Is it work?
Is it the weekend?
We want to know. Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing English every day,
Little by little,
step by step.
sentence by sentence.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.